So today we'll be going over how to use Google Sheets to create a monthly budget. First, you open up your Google Sheets application through Google, and when you come to the screen to open up a sheet, you can click on monthly budget. And when that loads up, you'll have a demonstration of different examples you can use, but you want to zero everything out to begin with. So you'll zero your starting balance, and then you'll go over to transactions at the bottom and clear everything here. That way you can start fresh over here. And you can zero these. And then once you have everything zeroed, you can individualize each of the tabs to fit your best income and outcome, or your expenses and your income. So to do that, you can just click on the category, you can clear it, or you can edit it. It's very easy. So for now, we can just do an example. I can do food, groceries, health, sure, and we can keep the rest. If we don't have these custom categories, we can clear them out. And then on the other side here, you have your income, where you make money from, and things like that. So once you customize this to your own liking, you can then plan an annual income for each of these categories, like so. And this column is where you can input how much you plan to spend on each category each month. And then here you input how much you plan to gain from each category each month. And once you have that put in and personalized to how much you make and spend, or plan to, you can come over to the Transactions tab. And this is where you can input how much you are actually spending and taking out. And then you can choose the category. And then when you go over to Summary, it will input that this is how much you actually spent, and this is how much you have left over or went over. And you can do that on each side. So now that you know how to use it, this is a personal one for me. This is how much I planned to spend in each category versus how much I actually did spend. Or, yeah. And then this is the difference, how much I have left over from each category. And then the same or similar on the side, this is how much I plan to make from each section, and this is how much I actually made from each section. And then the difference, how much I have left over or went over in each section. And then my Transactions tab. It's not working, actually. Here. Well, my transaction side was similar to this one, but I went through my bank account and was able to input each date and the amount I spent and what category my spendings fell into, and it was able to give me my difference and how much I spent. And then here it will show you your start and end balance in your bank account and how much you managed to save this month based on what you input. And that is all.